Hi friends, good morning all of us. And already in daily by daily I make video. So today I want to say you all of us, you are supporting me. So for that I am very happy. Yeah, and daily by daily you are watching my video, and because sometime I check my watch time. My watch time is growing also, and you are looking, you are watching my video. So after that my watch time is growing, otherwise my watch time is not happen grow. So in this matter is very good that in again and again I'm saying you are supporting me, and you are subscribe you are doing my subscriber channels my English speech. So friends, today my topic will be about working. Working, what is clear the working? Yeah, working is happening simple kind of exercise. Yeah, walking is happens simple kind of exercise. There are many exercise, but walking is only simple kind of exercise. In this exercise, all of us is all of us is can do, and those people physically weak people in can do also in this exercise. So in this exercise is very benefit give us, but in this exercise in please you do fixed time, morning time and evening time. Yeah, morning time daily by daily you walk, that's your will be more benefit. In this exercise not demand anything for you, but give so much. Yeah, your digestion will be right, and when any our stomach is happen problem, digestions and gastrics, and why is happen, and only we do not exercise. The exercise is like this: if daily by daily you will do, daily by daily you will working, that your physically will be strong, and any disease will be removed, any disease will not come to me. So friends, in yesterday my friend was saying me, and actually I have forgotten that matter, otherwise in studying time I speak that matter. My friends one matter was speaking that in please you change your voice line. Yeah, my friend was speaking, please you change your voice line, and as you are speaking in this line, same this line look like in takrir like this. Yeah friends, in any people's any kind of is happen voice. So and about you can't do and Englishman, but solo by solo in I am this in this time is studying time. So in like this I am doing, because in now I'm in front of the camera. So yeah, I was telling about you working. Yeah, in that matter I will tell you. In working, if you daily by daily you will do this, so much will be benefit, so much will be energy. Yeah. in all day in walking. Where is happen? In there should be open area. Yeah, that's in your fresh air. Fresh air you can take, and your lungs will be strong. In daily by daily, you will take fresh air, your lungs will be strong, and your physically in about will be strong, and any disease in will be removed. In friends, one thing I want to show you. Now I am doing practice in any translate is happen mistake, but I would not mind. Where is mistake? Let them mistake. In like this, in my practice, I will continue. In 1 year after can be improved. So I was telling about working. Working is like this, that in every religion, working is not only that in one religion can do. No, all peoples can do. Yeah, without children. Yeah, and unless them will not happen age. Yeah. So friends, please, in as far as minds come to knowledge, please you work. Any disease will be removed. And we can go to medical, we can go to hospital, but we do not working. That we do not exercise. Yeah. So friends, I want give you advice. Please, you walk. And as far as I had knowledge about this, I told you. So friends, I want to give you advice. Please, you walk. That in daily by daily, please you fix time 2 times, and morning time and evening time. That your digestions will be right. So friends, in those peoples watch my video, for that again by again I want to say them thanks that you are supporting me. And now my subscriber is very less, but my heart is say, yeah, you don't worry. In like this you continue practice. Yeah, in about in 5 years after, 10 years after, you can't believe. In I watched one video. Yeah, I watched one video in that people's studying in 2011, and that people is doing last 10 years. Please, you can imagine. And only in my English speech channels, only 3-4 months is happening. So friends, that in like this, I want to continue this. That and in this time only I am going in one channels. In solo by solo, in 1 year, 2 years after, in that when in this channels will be promote in YouTube studio. After that I can open another channels. Yeah. So friends, in now you can also this, and what is your ability, and you can do that. Yeah. And what is your ability? And please, in online, in YouTube, in YouTube sites, yeah, this is your earning source. In this YouTube, in things, in this is your earning source, and you can earn money. And now my country is not in a small country. My country is very big country, and my world is very big world. In this YouTube channels especially go on all world. So friends, your capacity, your ability, and you can serve. You can serve any peoples. That I'm not saying. And now I'm speaking that, and especially I'm reading. So like this, I have ability, and slow by slow I'm trying that it can be improved. So friends, and I want to say you please, and you subscribe my channels, and you like and comment, and I meet you next time with next day.